Hey guys, welcome. Technicalbeardo here. Today in this video, I'll be showing you how we can move from iOS 14 beta version to iOS 14 commercial or a stable version which is released by Apple globally. So now currently while shooting this video, I am on iOS 14 beta version. Okay, and if you see here, if I go to settings, general, and if I see about, here I am on iOS 14 beta version, right? And if I go to my software updates, you will see Gold Master update is already available for me. Actually, it is not available for all the people, okay, globally, but for beta version it is available. So in this video, I'll show you how we can move from beta version to a stable version before installing this iOS 14 Gold Master update, or if you already installed this Gold Master update on your iPhone, then how you can move from beta to stable version. That I'll be showing this video. So now first let's see moving to stable version before installing Gold Master update, right? For that it's very simple process. Just go to your settings and scroll down and go to generals, and here if you scroll down, if your iOS 14 beta version, you will find a iOS 14 beta profile, right? Open that, and here you will find an option called remove profile. For now, remove this profile by entering your passcode or a lock, right? And just click on remove, and once you do that, it will ask you to restart your phone. Do that, and once you do that, it will reboot your iPhone. Just wait for a few seconds or few minutes, and once you do that, it will restart your iPhone. Now once your iPhone is rebooted or restarted, just go to your settings. Okay, so open a settings application, open that. Once you scroll down and go to generals, and if you scroll down, you won't find your profile option, right? So there is no iOS 14 beta profile on your iPhone, right? So the beta profile is deleted from your iPhone. Now if you go to software updates and check, there will be no iOS 14 Gold Master update available for me because I already removed my iOS 14 beta profile from my iPhone. So I will get update only when it is officially available for my country. So I am no more on beta version. So once my country or Apple releases iOS 14 official or stable version in my country, it will automatically show here. And friends, now let's talk about those people who have already installed iOS 14 Gold Master version on their iPhones by iOS 14 beta version. For them, if they want to move to iOS 14 stable version or commercial version, for them it is very simple. They just have to wait for next iOS 14 update, that might be iOS 14.1. So when Apple rolls out update for iOS 14 stable version, that time all beta users can do one thing. They can follow same process where they can uninstall or remove profile of iOS 14 beta, and they can officially or easily download this iOS 14 stable version update, and they can come from beta version to iOS 14 stable version very easily. So in simple words, when in future iOS 14 update comes, that time all the beta users have to remove the beta profile and install the update on their devices very easily. So friends, I hope this video was helpful for you. If you like the video, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe. And any query, please comment in comment box. Thank you.